Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy, where today we're unlocking the secrets to boosting your strength swiftly. If you've ever felt intimidated by sprint training, fret not, because we're breaking down everything you need to know to seamlessly integrate it into your fitness routine. We'll cover the essentials of a strength training program, highlighting why it's a key component for muscular development and endurance. Plus, stay tuned till the end as I demonstrate the top exercises guaranteed to maximize your strength gains. Let's embark on this strength-enhancing journey together. Strength training revolves around executing basic exercises with a focus on low repetitions and high sets, up to 6 or 8, with each set pushing you close to your limit but never exceeding 5 reps. This approach contrasts sharply with muscle mass training, emphasizing fewer reps but more sets to ensure muscle fatigue without overtraining. The rest periods between these sets are crucial, ranging from 3 to 5 minutes or even longer, to fully recover and maintain peak performance throughout your workout. Incorporating exercises that build explosive strength, such as jerks and pushes, is paramount for an effective strength training regimen. The intensity of your workouts is directly tied to the weights you're lifting. For those lifting weights at 100% of their 1-rep max, a weekly session suffices, whereas training with 80% allows for twice weekly sessions. However, experts recommend spacing strength training sessions at least every 4 days to allow muscles ample recovery time, enhancing both growth and performance. The essence of strength training lies not just in the weights, but in the execution speed and technique of each exercise. Slowing down your movements prevents your body from adapting too quickly, which could render your efforts less effective over time. Focusing on perfecting your technique reduces injury risks and enhances muscle innervation, leading to significant strength increases. Employing the ladder technique, where you incrementally increase the weight with each set, ensures continuous muscle engagement and growth. Whether you're lifting 80% or 100% of your maximum, the objective is to challenge your muscles progressively. However, hitting a plateau is a common challenge. To overcome it, integrate presses with pauses at mid-amplitude to further stimulate muscle growth and strength development. Beginners should initially focus on conditioning their tendons and mastering exercise techniques without heavy weights. This foundational phase involves substituting basic exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses with safer alternatives to prepare the body for more strenuous activity. Gradually, basic exercises are introduced with an empty bar to fine-tune coordination, eventually leading to a tailored strength training program incorporating all fundamental exercises. The top 3 strength-enhancing exercises. Deadlift. Begin in a semi-squat position, gripping the barbell with hands shoulder-width apart, back straight, and a slight arch in the lower back. Breathe in deeply and lift by extending your hips, ensuring the bar remains close to your thighs. Lower the barbell back to the floor on an exhale. Aim for 3 sets of 5-6 reps, resting for 3-4 minutes between sets. Barbell squat. With the barbell resting on your shoulder blades, lower yourself until your hips are below your knees, keeping your knees pointed outwards and your back straight. Rise back up powerfully to complete 1 rep. Perform 3 sets of 5-6 reps, allowing 3-4 minutes of rest between sets. Bench press. Lying on the bench, press your shoulder blades down and keep your feet firmly on the floor. Lower the barbell to mid-chest, then push it back up while exhaling. This exercise targets your upper body strength effectively. Conduct 3 sets of 5-6 reps with 3-4 minutes rest in between. By incorporating these strategies and exercises into your routine, you're on your way to significantly enhancing your strength and transforming your physique. Remember, consistency and proper technique are your best allies in achieving your strength goals. Strength growth is an intensive process that requires dedication, proper nutrition, and smart training. Dive into strength training with confidence and witness the powerful impact it has on your fitness journey. For more tips and exercises to build your anatomy, stay tuned to our channel. Let's strengthen our bodies and minds together, because building your anatomy is the only way forward.